Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and in today's video I want to show you a new piece of equipment that's just been released that will help you reduce the amount of time you spend scrubbing glass, and they're called tiger fins. So I was recently contacted by a gentleman called Ray from Aeria Pro in America, and he's developed these tiger fins, which are 4 bronze wool pads that fit velcro into your brush. Now Ray said to me, would I be interested in trying them and reviewing them if he sent me a set. So I said, of course I will, yeah. So this is the set he sent me. I haven't paid for them, but he sent to me very nicely, so thank you very much, Ray, for sending me these. I'm going to enjoy trying these. They're a bit fiddly to put into place when you first get them, but if you have a look at the link below to his video, it shows you how they're fitted. But once they're there, they're held in really tight. The only problem I had when I fitted these to start with was the velcro pads were sliding about a bit, so I contacted Ray, and it was actually my mistake. You needed to make sure that the knots on the pad fit around the end of the brush, and that makes sure the pads are held tightly in place. It's a really good idea, it's a nice concept. The pads are velcroed in, so if you don't want to be using them all the time, you don't have to put the cables in every time that holds them in place. You can just undo the velcro off the bronze wool pads, and then they easily just drop straight back in and fit back in your brush. The idea behind them is when you press them on the glass, they actually splay apart and press on the glass, so you've got a constant scrubbing power on the glass, a lot more scrub than the bristles. You've still got your bristles in place, so you've still got your usual cleaning from your bristles, but this will just give you a little bit of extra scrubbing power. They look really well made. The bronze wool looks like a really good quality bronze wool, nicely made, stitched into place. The velcro seems good quality, like it's not going to give up on the first time. They do fit on a wider brush. I use a wider brush most of the time, but I've just put them on this narrow one just to show you, but they will fit on it. The cables on them are just a little bit short, but they do work. But on the shorter brush, the narrower brush, they are easier to put on. But I've had a word with Ray, and he's increasing the length of the size of the cables. So when would you use these? Well, in the UK, me personally, mine is mostly round work, maintenance cleans, so I don't think I'll be using them all the time with the bronze wool. But I do a factory, and there's always a lot of bird mess on the glass there, on loads of the windows. So it's only done 3 times a year, and it does get baked on a bit, so these are going to be absolutely invaluable for doing that factory. I also do a house where it's very close to a load of beehives, and it gets the little yellow pollen dots on the glass, so I think these are going to be really good for that, because normally just scrubbing with the bristles, even using hot water, doesn't get that off. So I think the bronze wool pads, I'm looking forward to trying them on that. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Make sure you keep watching my channel, and I'll do an update on these very soon and let you know how I got on with them, whether they do work, whether they're too coarse, whether they're not coarse enough. Everything about them I'll let you know once I've used them for a bit. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the thumbs up button if you found it useful. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button, and have a look at my playlists. There's quite a lot of other equipment on there that you might find useful, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.